Petersburg, Alaska, 2026. Getting ready to head out halibut fishing with Petersburg Sport Fishing. And when Joe and I walked this morning, we saw the whales breaching here, and they're still out here, right outside the harbor of Petersburg. There we go. Oh! Salt water in the camera, that's good. Look at that. Oh, there's no little ones there, man. Did you like that, Tony? Tony, did you like the whales? So you wanted to see whales. Here we go.
Angled in a net.
Oh my God. Like
3 of them?
Looks like it's just laying there, huh?
Yeah.
I know. Why is it just laying there?
Oh, look over here too.
Oh, wow.
Where? Oh, okay.
Surrounded down over here too.
Oh, yeah, they are. Right by that boat.
Oh, there goes the tail. Wow. That's a monster. Oh,
Get that tail, dude. Oh, that's a big tail.
that's a monster, man.
I got the, it looks like a fin.
Yeah, now I can see it. You're saying they're humps.
Now you believe they're humpies?
I see your hump.
That's a lovely lady lump.
Oh, give us a tail shell.